Okay, Joe in real life. Check out that beard. So I'm having microphone issues, as I've been reporting for the last week plus. I put a question up on Ivan Jerk's page because I'm kind of plagiarizing his idea. Well, I guess I'm more than a little kind of plagiarizing it. I'm definitely plagiarizing it. Um, and I figured I'd ask, like it couldn't hurt. And a number of people were very helpful, and they seem to think it's a microphone issue, which, I mean, it's either the app or the microphone, and I'm leaning heavily towards microphone. So anyway, a quick Google search on the Google Pixel, and I discovered that more than a few people are struggling with their microphone on the Google Pixel. One of the less attractive virtues of being an old man is that I don't check online reviews before I buy things. I have this sort of hardwired brand loyalty. I had a Pixel 2 before this phone, and I loved that phone like a brother. And so I just bought the Pixel 6 Pro without even thinking, or for that matter, considering this project, which really wouldn't have been much of a consideration because I'm just doing this for fun anyway. But god damn, I'm frustrated with this microphone, like crazy frustrated. There are a couple fixes. I could send the phone in for repair. I have low confidence in that because, you know, if I damage the microphone, then odds are great I'm just going to damage it again. And so what would be the point of repair? Option B, I buy one of those dorky headsets and I outsource the audio through that. That's a pretty good option. But I don't want to like spend money on a thing if I don't have to. So I'm trying out some of the more advanced audio features on the phone. I don't understand them. You pretty much need a computer science degree to get this. I don't know. It's a struggle. But also, on a plus side, I'm really learning a lot about the technology that I've ignored for the last decade. I'm kind of getting a crash course on this stuff. And as frustrated as I am, I'd be lying if I said that I'm not enjoying it, at least on some level. Anyway, burpees, right? That's what we're here for. So as you can see, they're moving like garbage today. I still feel like crap. This is day 26 of the war, putting my total at 2,600. 10,000 being the ultimate goal. And I'm just doing them how I feel like it today. I didn't want to structure a thing. I didn't want to think about it. I just wanted to stand on my altar, get my tits to the deck, and jump up with my hands over my head. That's it. No frills, nothing fancy. Yeah, a little dance. Yeah. We skip to the end. I'm kind of just testing here, seeing if the sound screws up again. And yeah, I think I had maybe showed you 25 or 30 the beginning round. And this is my last 20 or so. They're not my friends today, but today's a rest day. So it's just the burpees. I'll get a little stretch and a hike when I get home from work tonight. Try to put my mind back together so I'm not mean to the people I love. I don't take the bartender gripes out on my housemates. You know, generally speaking, that's a pretty good thing to like focus on. What else? What to talk about? I got like over 2 minutes left, and this is really just a test video. I guess something I want to think about is like a goal, you know? Like, it keeps popping into my head at work. How like you have a specific goal and you work towards it, right? And that can be like drawn out as a linear thing. Point A to point B. I'm here, I'd like to get there. And in that process though, in the conceived process, there's a bunch of inconceivable stuff that goes on. And some of these things have way more weight and depth, meaning and worth, these peripheral, inconceivable things, than the actual goal you're working on. And we discover those peripheral aspects in process. Like, if we focused on them, it wouldn't happen. And I know that's a muddy thought, and yes, I'm just kind of filling space on this audio, but I have been thinking about that. Like, it's kind of driving me nuts. Like, does it make sense to set a specific goal, or do you, in a more general sense, try to steer the entire system towards a vague notion and allow the peripheral aspects to come in more fully? I don't know. That's a question for you if you listened all this way. And if you did, man, you're a weird person. Congratulations. We got another 30-ish seconds here. And yeah, day 26, the 11th annual Great Burpee War. I love you guys. Be good to each other.